Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're looking at hanging baskets, and there's loads of different styles and shapes. This one has a metal frame and has a coil insert. This one's a large plastic one and it has these spaces that we can add some plants. So today we're going to plant up my hanging baskets and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So when looking for a hanging basket to use, then try and find the biggest one that you can use. A bigger one will hold more compost and it will hold more flowers and it will give a bigger display. This hanging basket is about 18 inches and this one's around 12 inches and has a cocoa liner. So I'm going to plant up both of these and show you how we do this. So the first one we've got is the cocoa liner, and it's not the best attractive pot that we've seen. And we're just going to take a piece of compost bag and we're just going to add it to the bottom, and that will act as a bit of a reservoir to collect the water. You could use a saucer or just a small shallow pot. Put it in the bottom. When the water's in the basket, it stays absorbed. So the compost we're using is a premium moisture control special compost for pots and baskets, and this will give it 3 months feed and has aqua core. So what I do is add a bit of compost to the bottom of the basket, and I'm going to cut a split in the side of the basket. Just like this, and we're going to add some pansies on the side. So we've got these pansies and they come in one pot, but as we can see, they're individual plants in one pot, and these are nice yellow colour. So I'm just going to insert it in the side of the pot, and we're pressing it against the compost that we've added, and then we're going to go around the rest of the and do the same again. Pressing it firmly as we go. It's a good idea to put your hanging basket on top of a pot, and then it's easy to work on without it rolling around. I'm pressing it firmly, pressing the plant. Should do this one. There we go. Then we're going to fill up the pot with the rest of the compost, and we're going to fan the roots in. And we're not going to go too high, so we need to add another layer. So on the top we're going to add some petunias. So we're going to put one, so give it water from above, and water until the water comes out the bottom of the basket. And then check the water daily, sticking your finger in before it feels dry, and give it a water. Also, as soon as the plants start fading, give it a deadhead, and that will encourage more blooms. So, let me know in the comments, have you potted up any hanging baskets, and what flowers do you like growing in your hanging basket? I'm going to pot up this one and do a similar process, and put some pansies, some stocks and some petunias, and make a lovely display. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!